Okay, so today we're going to change this old chop spring for this lovely shiny new one on this BMW E30. So if you have a look in there, you can see the old chop spring and it just doesn't sit right. So we've taken the wheel off and now we've just got to undo that bolt there and take the shock absorber off. So it's a 19mm socket and it were a little bit tight this, so we just had to use a big handle to start it off. I think it had been buzzed up really tight and we just unscrew it. It goes all the way through this. It's a pin that holds it in place. And that should be a little bit more. There it is, and that's come out dead easy, and there is the chop spring. Okay, so the spring simply just slots into place like this, and what we've done here is we've just got a little jack just to help us get that back up into place. Offer it up. Get that up into place. A bit further. So then it's just a case of tightening the bolt, tightening the shock absorber back up here. Make sure these are nice and tight. Okay. Just lower that down. And now it's just a case of replacing the wheel, lowering the car and seeing how it sits. Basically,